There are many products available to choose pie pans, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pie pans from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Pyrex 9-inch pie plate. This pie dish from Pyrex is not only oven safe but also microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, making it exceptionally versatile for prepping and cooking pies, storing leftover bits, or even using it as a baking dish for something else altogether. Overall, it's no frills, but our testers gravitated towards it nonetheless, calling it a classic, and for good reason. The USA-made tempered glass pie pan was the best glass pan we tested, producing a relatively well-browned pie without any shrinkage. Testers also liked how easy it was to monitor the progress on their pie, thanks to the clear sides all around. It's also easy to store, but take note, the dish doesn't have any handles, which can make it a little tricky to grab, especially with big oven mitts on. Number 2. Lodge 9-inch seasoned cast iron pie pan. A cast iron pan was a dark horse, but our tester was very surprised by cast iron and how it performed, since the vast majority of people turn to glass, ceramic, and metal pie pans for their baking needs. And though undeniably heavy, it's not ideal for anyone with strength or mobility challenges. It's also an incredibly durable pick, and one that would last you for years and years to come. Also nice, the heavy-duty pie pan has fluted sides to guide you as you shape the crust and large handles that make it a little easier to carry despite its weight. Number 3. Emile Henry 10.4-inch ruffled pie dish. It may be expensive, one of the 2 priciest picks on our list, but our test kitchen pros were impressed by the quality of this pie pan, noting it's even more beautiful in real life. The ceramic is high quality, the fluted lines are dramatic and sleek, and it comes in a variety of colors, so you can choose the one that best matches your kitchen. As far as stoneware goes, this dish performed better than the majority of others we tested, including the ever-popular Le Creuset pie pan. Although slightly less golden all around, the apple pie it produced had fewer burned spots, yielding a more consistent product. Overall, our testers say this pie plate is worth a hard look, especially considering how durable it is. Handcrafted in France, it's microwavable, oven, freezer, broiler, and dishwasher safe. Plus, the exterior is coated in a hand-applied glaze that's resistant to scratches, chips, and cracks. Number 4. Nordic Ware Naturals High Dome Covered Pie Pan. Our testers had mixed feelings about this lightweight pan's tall walls. On one hand, they helped prevent the crust from burning. Instead, the result was a very evenly golden crust from edge to edge. But on the other hand, the higher sides made it a bit more difficult to serve a clean piece of pie. Perhaps the most enticing feature of this particular pie dish is the included domed lid that allows you to better preserve and store any leftovers for future enjoyment. Just let it fully cool first. It's a great portability feature too, and the high dome leaves plenty of room for meringue or whipped cream topped pies. It's also worth noting, you'll have to hand wash this metal pie dish. The manufacturer says neither the pan itself nor the lid is dishwasher safe. Number 5. Great Jones Sweetie Pie. Though among the most expensive pie pans we tested, this ceramic option from Great Jones, available in 3 fun colors, is incredibly stylish with a retro appeal that looks great on any table. Our test kitchen pro was impressed by how fun both the design and color options are. It's more than pretty to look at though. In tests, this pie plate performed better than any other ceramic option we tested. The microwave, freezer, and dishwasher-safe baking dish has fluted edges to help guide you as you crimp the crust. And, during cooking, the pie dish produced an apple pie with a nicely browned bottom with even golden color across the whole thing. Other ceramic options produced some burnt spots. Just note that there are no handles, an important attribute for some, since it can make the pan harder to grasp, especially with bulky oven mitts on. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.